Ready to build your legacy? Hello, I'm Fred from Mapro Knight Frank. Come and explore this unique property with me, situated near Quinta do Lago and Vale do Lobo resorts in the Algarve. A place where time moves at a different pace and life flourishes in a sanctuary where future generations can thrive. This property includes a charming cottage-style main house where timelessness is fully embraced and character woven into every detail. Step into the pool house, complete with a private courtyard and a pool area, perfect for entertaining and relaxation. There are also 2 separate guest cottages, a 4-car garage and ample exterior storage facilities. The unique estate also offers exceptional outdoor amenities, including a tennis court, a putting green, and a variety of fruit trees amidst its private grounds. All of this is found in a peaceful location of over 31,000 square meters of land, just moments from pristine beaches and world-class golf courses. A heavenly retreat with tranquility and charisma. A perfect setting to create your enduring legacy. Check out our reference 3408 on our website for more information and be sure to contact me today to experience this remarkable project.